What's the personality of the building?
I would say the personality would be welcoming, modern, outgoing, clean.
Professional, it's innovative, and it's sharp. The glass is the most noticeable trait. It has this modern design that was completely meant to give an ascending look. And that's very much a part of our culture here at Carson.
When you walk in, you are almost propelled to think bigger, to do more.
We can be in a meeting that's focused for multiple hours and the sun is going to change. The windows and glass are going to change with it. And we're not hot, we're not cold. We're able to really keep our focus, but also get the outward sunshine.
There's sunlight everywhere through this glass. There's not a spot in the building where people don't have access to that natural light. I think that helps people think differently. It doesn't just look cool, although that's a great benefit, but we really did it for the stakeholder experience.
We sit right along a main expressway. You can't hear a lot of the traffic. You don't get to hear a lot of the outside noise.
Our lobby is a first, second floor open concept. And one of the awesome things that we put in there was a 2-story video wall. With the glass, we're able to tint it accordingly. So then you have a 2-story video wall, you have no glare on it, and it's just a perfect place to hold these type of events.
We don't have to have the hassle of blinds anymore. I don't have to worry so much about adjusting the temperature manually. The windows themselves are smart enough to recognize temperature, they're smart enough to recognize light, and therefore we're able to be more productive in our roles because it gives us less to worry about.
Let's be able to see, let's be able to enjoy the Heartwood Preserve as it's growing and be able to enjoy just being together here.
Again, when we look at all the reasons why we chose it, right, lower absenteeism, better productivity, they come in every day and they know that, wow, they really thought about what I would need.
We've gotten feedback from advisors, clients, and our stakeholders that they love the space.
It's so important for us that everybody walks into this building every day happier than they were the day before. And in many ways, the culture is all about the people.